area that is now Marion County has been part of 7 different counties beginning in 1788: Washington, Hamilton, Wayne, Ross, Franklin, Delaware, and Marion. Marion County was created by the Ohio legislature in 1820. Its boundary was changed in 1845 when land was transferred from several of the northern townships to Wyandotte County as part of its formation. In 1848, 5 townships in Marion County were switched to Morrow and Wyandotte counties, with the areas that are now Prospect and Waldo townships changed from Delaware County to Marion County. Among the early visitors and later inhabitants of what is now Marion County were American Indians who passed through the area on a series of trails originally created by wildlife such as bison, deer, and elk. These trails were first utilized by the Indians for access to hunting and foraging, as well as travel between settlements and to trading areas. Among the trails were the Scioto, Owl Creek, Moccasin, Pluggy, Timothy, and Winnemac. Many of these eventually evolved into highways that are still in use today. One of the first recorded locations in what is now Marion County was once the site of a tavern and also a fort. Nathaniel Brundage and Nathaniel Wyatt, along with their families, arrived in Marlborough Township in Delaware County in 1806 and 1809. Wyatt built a tavern on an old settlers' road below the Greenville Treaty Line near the Olentangy River, north and east of what is today the crossroads of Norton. Soldiers under the command of Captain Taylor built a fort around the tavern for use as a depot for supplies and then traveling north. It was named at Fort Morrow in honor of Jeremiah Morrow, Ohio's governor at the time. Troops during the War of 1812 passed through what would one day become Marion City and County on a military road that ran from Lake Erie to the Greenville Treaty Line. The road had been created by a treaty with the American Indians. One of the first sites in Marion County to appear on early maps was the result of the efforts of a surveyor named Jacob Foos, who was passing through what is now the area adjoining Marion Towers on Delaware Avenue. Foos camped in the area and dug a well to find a source of fresh water. The site eventually became known as Jacob's Well and was a stopping point for troops passing through the area. Marion is the county seat of Marion County, Ohio. Heber Baker and Alexander Holmes established the town in 1821. By 1840, 570 people resided in the town. 6 years later, Marion boasted a population of 800 people. 3 churches, a private academy, 2 newspaper offices, 21 stores, 1 sawmill, 1 fulling mill, and 1 carding mill also existed in the town in 1846. Over the next several decades, Marion continued to grow. One of the chief reasons for this growth was Marion's location along 2 railroads. In 1880, 3,899 people inhabited the town. This number increased to 8,327 people in 1890. In 1886, 3 newspapers operated in the town, including the Marion Star, with Warren G. Harding, eventual President of the United States, serving as this paper's editor. In addition to the newspapers, 15 churches and 4 banks existed in the community. Numerous manufacturing establishments existed in the town, with most businesses providing services or products to farmers in the surrounding countryside. In 1886, the largest employer was the Marion Steam Shovel Company, with 80 employees. This business manufactured steam shovels, including some that were used to dig the Panama Canal. Marion and its residents continued to prosper during the 20th century. In 2000, Marion was the largest population center in Marion County, with a total population of 38,000 residents. This marked the 10% growth in the town's population since 1990, and the county itself experienced a 3% growth rate to a total population of 66,217 people during the same time period. Much of this growth resulted from Franklin County and Delaware County residents trying to escape the busyness of Columbus. The Marion Power Shovel Company, formerly known as the Marion Steam Shovel Company, was historically one of the county's largest employers, but by 2003, only 300 people worked for this business. The Ohio State University Marion also employs numerous residents.